guys, it's Stevie from Planner Cookie Mama. Today I am going to be planning in my happy planner for next week, so from the 27th through to the 2nd of February. And I'm going to be using this printable kit from Bunny and Flight Planner. So this is a really nice kit. I've used this before. It's the Camera Girl kit. So you've got all your decorative full boxes up the top here. You've got your full check boxes down the bottom. You've got all your littles at the top, your weekend banner, your weekdays, and then down here you've got your meals, exercise, weekly trackers, habit trackers, your weekly tracker, your to do, your to clean. You've got some more littles here, your drink more water. And then you've got washi down here, you've got decorative washi strips, some deco and functional here, and then you've got some more functional up here. You've got your flags, quarter boxes, half boxes, and your bill dues. And then that's it. There is actually also an extra page. I've cut one of these out already, which is just, you can choose which colour, hair and skin tone your girl has. So because I've actually, this is a copy of the kit, I have already cut everything out. So I've used one of these girls and it's one of the redhead girls. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started, and I'll probably speed bits of this up for just so that you don't need to sit and listen to me ramble. So what I'm going to do first is I am actually going to put the washi down first, so I'm just going to use this so that I don't need to, I don't cut into my table. Right, so my washi is down. What I'm actually going to do next is white out the sides of this January, because when you put a box over the top of it, it still sticks out the sides and it doesn't really match. So I'm just going to quickly run my tape down, and then I'm going to decorate my sidebar. So I'm going to use this Camera Girl first. Go. Just scrape this white out of the way. There we go. Right. And then I also have my water tracker next, so I'm going to pop that down underneath. And then I'm going to put down my habit trackers. So there's 2 in this kit. I'll put these down next. See, sometimes on the back of this sticker paper that I've got, it's got like a cut down the middle of it so that it's easier for you to peel. But I always use my craft knife, so it's actually a bit of a pain in the backside sometimes when it's there and you don't realise it's there, and you only end up taking off half the backing. I've got a funny feeling you're going to get a cat in the screen in a second because she's just jumped up to look out the window. Pop that down there, and then I'm going to do my weekly tracker. Here she comes. Loki. Loki, you're in the way. Come here. Right, go down, please. Thank you. Cat here. Right, where was I? Okay, so I've done my sidebar. That was quick enough. So I think I'm going to first check to make sure, hang on, cat hair everywhere, and I can't blow to get it off because all my cut bits are up here. So I need to make sure this covers first. Yeah, that completely covers, so that's good. So I'm going to pop down my my day covers next. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pop down my to-dos. Okay, next up, I'm trying to decide whether or not I want to alternate these and these, or if I just want to have these all along the bottom and those in the middle. Let's just have a look and see what it looks like this. Yeah, I think I'm going to do it like that for a change. Right, so that is the kit finished, or enough of what I'm going to do with the kit. Now I'm going to go through my One Crafty Country Girl stickers and decorate up as I usually do. So my planner girl goes there, because I usually do some midweek planning. Got my girl boss for Sunday, because that's usually when I do more planning or videos. a little reading time one on Wednesday for when I have volunteering. Actually, we'll pop that in there. I volunteer at a library, so that's what I'm going to use in there. A little payday one for Friday. I'll just stick it down there. It's shopping day on a Friday, so I'm going to pop that in there. Oops. Ah, no. I didn't stick this to the back of my hand before I put it down, so it's probably not going to come up without ripping something. Oh, excellent. Pop that in there. For shopping. And in here, this is my weekend, because Amelia's been with her dad for the last, well, she's been with him since last week, and I'm missing her so much. But this is my weekend with her. She goes to her dad's every other weekend. Just going to pop it down here. Okay guys, so that is me finished. So I've added in all my little One Crafty Country Girl stickers that I always use, the ones that I need to use. So as always, I will leave a link in the description down below to the kit that I used from Bunny in Flight Planner. Bunny in Flight Planner. I'll also leave a link to One Crafty Country Girl as well as my PR code, for which you will get 10% off of $10 or more. I will leave a link to my Instagram and One Crafty Country Girl's Instagram. And until next time guys, happy planning. Bye.